Hello everyone, Habibi here. And finally, the result of my admin area of my custom banner ad network for my Unity game looks like this. I have the list of banner ads and they have links. I can click each of these banners to open the link, and I have the statistic of click count of the ads, and I have delete button, and here I have add new ad form, and here is my game. Let me show you how the ads look like. This is one of my desktop Unity game. If I run my game, I can see my banner ads on the top of the game. Just like this, we can play the game. Let me show you this banner ad it has 0 click count, and let me click the ad. This one has 1 click count, 2 click count. Let me click this ad. I click the ad and admin area and refresh the page. I will see it updated. Okay, that's all for this video tutorial series, and see you next time on my next video. Bye bye.